Good day, kapwa ko Calabriano. I am aspirant Limuel Dumagit, and this is my vocation story. Year 2011 when I first encountered God through Bible study. This Bible study was just the beginning of my spiritual journey, as I went on to meet many religious groups and individuals who helped me deepen my faith. However, as I grow older and responsibilities in my family increased, my faith began to shrink, and I found myself living according to my own desires. I became lost and struggled with depression. It was in this moment of desperation that I turned to prayer, not because I wanted to, but because I had no one else to turn to. I haven't started my prayer yet my eyes were overflowing with unstoppable tears. The only word I uttered were, "Lord, help me." The morning after my health for prayer, the burden that had weighed heavily on my shoulders had been lifted, and I felt a sense of renewal and peace wash over me. I realized that even in my moments of weaknesses and despair, God was there, ready to listen and offer comfort. From that moment on, I began to rebuild my relationship with God, relying on His guidance and support as I walked through the ups and downs of life. This feeling of joy and love filled my heart, and I knew that it was a gift from the Lord. Inspired by His grace, I felt a calling to share His love with others, particularly with a group of children whom I had the opportunity to teach. Through my works with these children, I deepened my relationship with God and learned to cherish His Word within my heart. This experience not only inspired me, but also built an aspiration to answer a greater call, the call to religious life. This aspiration led me to enter the Formation House, where I have now spent 2 years engaged in spiritual growth and formation.